Start your morning strong with a timeless favorite organic English breakfast tea. Bold, full-bodied, and beautifully balanced, this classic black tea is crafted to awaken your senses and fuel your day with natural energy. Here are 6 reasons to love every cup. Energizing start, naturally caffeinated to help you wake up and stay focused without the crash. Rich in antioxidants, supports overall wellness and helps protect your body from everyday stress. Smooth and robust flavor, a deep, malty taste that's perfectly satisfying on its own or with milk and honey. Mood boosting, a comforting, familiar brew that brings warmth and calm to your daily routine. Heart health support, black tea is known to promote healthy circulation and cardiovascular wellness. Perfect anytime. Enjoy a cup in the morning, afternoon, or whenever you need a cozy pick-me-up. Find organic English breakfast tea now at fullleafteacompany.com. And tell us how you love to enjoy your morning tea in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow tea lovers.